In last lecture we discussed introduction, general characteristics of Annelida and classification of Annelida. Now we discuss about morphology of class Hirudinea, which includes leech. Leech is the example of class Hirudinea. So morphology, in which first of all we will study introduction. Leeches belong to genus Hirudinaria. Leeches belongs to genus Hirudinaria. Hirudinaria is the genus and class is Hirudinea, which includes great number of species. In class Hirudinea, which includes great number of species, leeches are highly specialized annelids without parapodia and setae but with suckers. Leeches are highly specialized annelids. Leeches are highly specialized annelids which contain suckers in both sides, from start region and in end region, means at the mouth side and at the anus side, and without parapodia and setae. Parapodia helps for locomotion and setae also helps for locomotion. Parapodia and setae are absent in annelids. One of the Indian species, Hirudinaria granulosa, commonly known as Indian cattle leech. One of the Indian species, Hirudinaria granulosa, commonly known as Indian cattle leech. Common name of leech is Indian cattle leech, is described here with respect to morphology, digestive and urinogenital system in detail. So first we will discuss about morphology of Hirudinaria granulosa, which is also called as leech, and common name is Indian cattle leech. So if we write morphology of leech or any organisms, then first of all we have to write systematic position of that organism. So systematic position of that leech is first phylum Annelida. Annelida means metamerically segmented, that is homologous segments, closed circulatory system, seta presents means hair is present for locomotion. Next class of leech is Hirudinea. What is meant by Hirudinea? Number of segments usually 33, parapodia and setae absents. Next order Gnathodelida means mouth with 3 jaws. Genus Hirudinaria. Hirudinaria means what? Ectoparasites on fish, means they suck on fish. What they suck? They suck the blood. Frogs, cattle and man. Species Granulos. Each segment subdivided into 5 rings or annula. Granulos means what? Each segment subdivided into 5 rings or annula. Granules contain 5 rings, which is also called annulae. Then next, habits and habitat of leech. So Hirudinaria granulosa, the Indian cattle leech, is found in India. Where it is found? It is found in India, Burma, Sri Lanka, Pakistan and Bangladesh. It occurs in freshwater ponds. Where they occur? It occurs in freshwater ponds, lakes, tanks, swamps and slow streams. Means they present on freshwater, and source of that freshwater is ponds, lakes, tanks, swamps and slow streams. It prefers shallow water and remains hidden under weeds, logs or stones. It prefers shallow water, means below water, and remains hidden under weeds, logs or stones. Where they hidden under weeds, logs or stones. It grips the objects with the help of suckers. ते ऑब्जेक्टला पकडून ठेवतात with the help of suckers. It is sanguivorous, means they suck the blood of host organisms. Sucking the blood of frogs and fishes, because frogs and fishes are easily available in water, and also of cattle and man. When they enter into the water, when cattle and man means human being enter into the water, they suck their blood by grieves the objects. It has power of contraction and expansion. It contains contractile muscles, so it has the power of contraction and expansion. Then morphology of leech. Morphology, in which we have to write shape, size, coloration, segmentation. So we will discuss shape. It has a soft worm like elongated, so it is called vermiform body. Elongated means cylindrical, dorsoventrally flattened means dorsal and ventral sides becomes flattened. Bilaterally symmetrical, last lecture we studied what is meant by bilaterally symmetrical and metamerically segmented body. Metamerically means same segments present from starting to end region. Bilaterally symmetrical means when we cut that organisms in one plane, then they form two same part called as bilaterally symmetrical. Body is gradually broadens toward the posterior end and narrows towards the anterior ends. Body is gradually broadens towards the posterior side and narrow towards the anterior end. It has great ability to alter its shape. It has ability to alter its shapes because of contraction and expansion, because it contains contractile muscles. When body is extended state, it appears almost like a ribbon. When body extended, they looks like a ribbon, while in contrasted it becomes cylindrical. Then size of leech. Body may attain a length up to 30 to 35 centimeters. Length असते leech 30 to 35 centimeter. Then coloration. Body of leech is brightly colored with characteristic markings. Dorsal surface is olive green in color. Dorsal surface is olive green in color, whereas ventral surface has orange yellow or orange red color. On the lateral margins, it has bands of orange or yellow and black. On the dorsal side, a series of black spots are present. This is the coloration of leech. In next lecture, we will study segmentation.